You are so handsome, so hunky.
I just
What's the problem?
That you have not credited me.
Oh, come on. You know I will surely do that.
Wait.
But I need to taste you first before I do that.
Money first, please. This is business.
Did Annabelle not tell you how I operate?
She didn't tell me anything.
Well, that's how I operate. So are you in?
I think I'll just take my leave.
Hold on, come on. I think I kind of like you.
Thank you.
That's all you have to say.
For now. Maybe with time I will know if I'll like you or not.
I like you. You're so rare. Don't worry, I'll do something for you so that I can enjoy you. Take it easy. Come on. Okay, so put your account number here so that I can enjoy you. All of you. Come on. Be easy. Okay.
Tony.
Just answer this thing, amigo.
What kind of question is this now?
What's the winning answer? What's the winning answer? Nah. What's what we say? As I ask you that, you answer me. Don't do this, I beg.
Well, if you must know, yes,
huh?
I am married.
Ha! Why you are married?
Yes. What has that got to do with anything?
It got to do with everything. It got to do with a lot of problems. I
don't understand.
See, fine, let me make you understand. It got to do with everything because what I believe in does not allow me to sleep with another man's wife. It's something that I said in my life that I would never do. Other ladies that are not married.
I don't understand. What you believe in, is it going to affect our relationship?
Go. In fact, see, let me just finish up. Make I just tell you as it because it is over. In fact, you don't end between me and you. You don't end.
You are kidding, right?
Tony,
you are kidding, right?
Kidding. This face now, look like kid. This fool look like kid. What is kidding? It is over.
You mean you're serious?
I'm very serious.
Tony, you are serious.
Because take the one I give you. Go. Thank you.
Well, listen. If truly you are serious that it is over between us, then you have to pay me back every penny I have spent on you.
Joseph Olonlo, dreamer. You're just dreaming. If you just wake up from this dream, shout up like Jesus.
I am not dreaming.
You are dreaming.
I am serious. Listen, I pay you well to service me. So if you are telling me that it is over, I need every penny that I have spent on your sorry ass.
Abia. Thank God say you pay me well for servicing you. You see that pay? Now the service why I service you. Take the one why I take service, go. I don't service again. No pay me again. You say I should pay back. Walk. Who does that? Car. You idiot.
Are you being serious now?
Stop.
What part of your body do you breathe from?
Well, from Anus and from my hotel. I breathe from everywhere. You are in for this woman. Go.
Okay, don't create a scene. Please, don't create a scene here. I will leave. But don't you see you? We shall see.
Now you should speak. We shall see. We don't see. Can you idiot? This one not finishing me. Papa, it's all he made hands to you. He don't want me. He won't be saying he won't be about this woman. No, never. Never dig my grave into her. Idiot.
to be honest with you, I've never had it like this before.
Does it mean you like the way I work?
Of course I do. I love it. And I'm going to have you one more time before you go.
I'm always at your service.
Annabelle did not make a mistake on this one.
Is that a way for you to say you like the way I operate?
I just don't like the way you operate. I love it. I love it.
Well, Ma, can I suggest something?
Don't call me Ma. Try something more romantic.
My bad. Apologies.
Better.
Honey bunny.
More like it.
I never thought you could be this jovial.
Well, this happens when I get what I like. Like I like you.
Thank you. Ma.
Ma.
Angel, don't you think the hotel will be more better instead of your matrimonial bed?
I know what you're thinking. But you see, my husband is well known in town. And if I go to a hotel with a man, he will know.
Okay, what if he comes in now and meet us like this?
My husband is not coming back anytime soon.
How sure are you?
Lady Moon is 100% sure. So feel okay and relax. Do what you've been paid for.
Listen, you know, I used to think I have seen it all. Guess what? I haven't even started. You see this guy? This Dove guy? The film guy?
Right.
Awesome.
What did he do? What happened?
If you see the type of girls this guy brings my way. Oh no! Oh no! How do I explain them? Listen. Korean girls, beautiful girls. Listen, I don't listen. I am impressed.
Come on, the color. I was just thinking that at this juncture you should be concerned more on how to get the investment back after investing so much into this business.
What are you talking about?
You'd be more concerned about getting your money back.
Do I look like a filmmaker or do I look like a producer?
You're not even bothered.
Listen, he should find ways to get return of investment. That's none of my business. Listen, that is his line of business. I'm sure he knows how to get the money back, but that's none of my business. I can give him more money to produce more films.
You can imagine.
I can do that. I don't care about, the investment or whatever.
To continue getting the kind of girls that you want.
Listen to me, I need to have fun, bro. I need to have fun. If you see the type of girls this guy brings my way, you run away. Listen, I'll pass some to you.
Damn, I don't need it. Enjoy alone.
I'm serious. You're going with me tonight.
Look, Pikala, I'm not here because of your line of business. You have so much money to invest into films simply because you want women. I'm here for a different business.
So what is the business?
Look, there is this bar that came out for purchase.
Okay.
In fact, it's on a distress sale.
Okay.
So I'm encouraging you now to try and secure it.
How much is it?
Well, I think if we go to the owner,
how much are they asking for?
They say asking is about 20 million naira.
That's all right. We'll look at it, and if it's worth it, then we'll give them the money.
Definitely, it may not be that same figure. So when you bargain, they will definitely be adjusted.
I don't care. I'll give them the money.
Good. Now you're talking.
Now listen, don't interrupt me when I'm talking about my girls.
Okay.
I need you to see one of them.
Body the sweeter, talk what you want to, he go give you. Body the sweeter, anything you want to, he go give you.
What is it?
That woman you went to see is my woman. I want you to stay far away from her.
Who are you?
Who am I is not really important, but if you might trace your little brain, I'm Kelly. Frank, stay away from that woman.
You even know my name. But I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
I wasn't speaking Swahili, neither was I speaking Kalahari. Stay away from her, she means a lot to me. I can kill for her.
I don't like people threatening me.
Oh, that's not threat.
It's a threat, and you have to withdraw it.
Withdraw what? Look, stay away from her, right? She's very important to me. That's what I came here to tell you.
Well, I see we both have same interests. Why don't you play your game while I play mine?
My friend, shut up. What's up with interest? We're talking about interest here. I cannot have same interest with you, moron. Are we the same? Do we look alike? Or is it because you're carrying this Guru Maharaji hair BS or something? Stay away from her. I'm warning you. Look, that woman is very special and I can't share her with anybody. I'm specific about that.
You can't share with anybody. Does that include her husband?
I mean, what are we even talking about? We're talking about 21st century. You're talking about St. Anthony. What era are you from? Or is it because you're carrying this Guru Maharaji BS or something like that? Look, I'm warning you, stay away from that woman. Don't make threat, empty threat.
It might interest you to know that I don't fear threatening. You better watch yourself otherwise.
Otherwise what? Otherwise what? Huh? What can you do? I think get that from here with the poison. You know what they call me? They call me the Godzilla, the dawn of the faculty. Ask about me. I know who I am.
You're just a brat.
Always think twice before you do something.
The way you sounded over the phone tells me something is wrong. What is it?
That guy Kelly is taking this person, and I think if you like him, you have to talk to him.
Kelly?
Yes, he accosted me and demanded I should leave Lady Moon for him.
Huh. Why would he do that? Is he mad?
I don't know. I even told him to play his game while I play mine.
Which is the right thing to do.
But he refused. He even tried to kill me.
He did?
Of course. He said if I don't leave Lady Moon for him, he's going to kill me.
Well, pay no mind to him because, I mean, that must be an empty threat. Trust me, he can't do anything to you.
Well, I mean, I actually don't want trouble. If he desperately needs her, I can just walk away.
Hey, don't say that. Walk away for who? Kelly?
Huh?
That's comeback? No, please. Don't say that, all right? Kelly is a nobody. He can't do anything to you. He will not do anything to you. Trust me.
If you say so.
Yeah, I say so.
Let me send you your percentage.
Fine boy, yeah. You see why I'm rooting for you. You know, even if you had forgotten about this money, I would have reminded you.
I knew you would forget.
I like money. I like money.
Anyway, Lady Moon is a nice woman actually. See, I enjoy her. The fact that she can release money.
You see, yeah. This is it. I like doing business with people like you. You know, this is the way it's supposed to be, not cock and bull stories every time. We do business, you give me my percentage, you take yours.
Do more business.
We'll do more business. Fine, guy. You're welcome. All right, so. Don't worry about that. Go deal with Lady Moon. So that's it, my dear.
You must be very stupid for confronting Frank. Is he mad?
Exactly my thought. Huh? No, what exactly is wrong with that guy? That guy has been biting more than he can chew these days. Do you know that he was actually boasting, saying that he owns you and that no one can take you away from him? And I ask you, my dear friend, don't you think it is time to dump his sorry ass?
Dumping him will be so very basic. I'm going to teach him a lesson that he will never forget.
That's my friend talking. But then, dear friend, are you sure you will not change your mind once you set your eyes on his handsome face?
Handsome face. My mind is already made up. I'm ditching him and that's what it is.
That's good. That's the spirit.
I wonder what's keeping him.
Oh, don't worry. He'll be here soon. I'm sure about that.
Tony. Tony, get the gate. Someone is there.
Who's on?
I said, get the gate.
No, that, what's that now? What is back? They say somebody. Nah. Somebody, calm down now. They say somebody there. Stress.
What's up with you?
You idiot! What nonsense now? Go. Man, this is bros. Yeah?
Tony, get into your room and lock yourself up there.
This is any problem?
Now!
Good day once more, ladies.
There is nothing good about the day, so I'll advise you to keep your greetings to yourself.
Sweetheart, I actually don't understand. We're quarreling or something.
I do not have the time to entertain your deceit.
Deceit? So, is there any problem?
Yes, there is a problem. And you are the problem.
Me? I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Why did you threaten to kill Frank if he does not leave me?
Yeah, this is actually about Frank, right? What's up with him? We're just having a man-to-man affair. Why is he being such a little boy spilling this out?
Leave Frank alone. He rocks my world now.
Oh, babe, you're not serious about that. What do you mean he rocks your world? I got 9 inches here. Eh? Why would you go for 2 inches? Man, I got 9 inches and it's still growing. You telling me Frank rocks your world? Babe, I'm still in your life. Leave that guy. He's not worth it. He's not worth it.
Don't call me. Don't text me again. You do not want to see the beast in me.
Babe, wait. Are you serious about this?
You can leave now.
Sweetheart, don't start the fight.
Hey. I can see you're really good at threatening people, huh?
Well, I don't do such. That's not a threat, okay? I'm just trying to protect my woman, that's all.
Kelly, I did not call you here to banter words with you.
Sweetheart, I was not speaking Swahili either.
You can excuse yourself.
Are you sure about this?
Use the gate. Excuse yourself.
All right. If that's what you want, but there's no problem. But trust me, you know what I said before? I got 9 inches and it's still growing, all right? I know you call out for me, all right? See you later.
Get yourself out of this place.
Where's the stupid gate, man? Come open this gate.
Okay, what was that? Huh? What did he just say? Moon. Tell me it's a lie. He said he's got 9 inches and still growing. Don't tell me you've been taking that.
You're getting the serious here.
That guy must have shifted your womb with that instrument.
Annabelle,
huh?
We're serious here. Behave yourself.
Well, it's a good thing you've dismissed him, honestly, because, I mean, the way he's been going. Honestly, the way he is going, I am sure he's not going to back out easily.
If he does anything stupid, I'll make sure he rots in jail.
That's my girl. 9 inches and still growing. What kind of instrument is that? Moon! Don't tell me you've been taking this.
Sochi, you are here. My dear, what God cannot do does not exist. Why are you so excited?
What happened?
Guess what? Guess what?
Man, dash your money.
Hi, this guy. You all know past man and money. No.
Talk now, talk. Ma, I dey come out to see me like this.
You won't believe the news that is making it round town.
What's the news?
Amani is the news. Listen, this is not time to hiss. Amazina has a big, expensive, flashy car. He now works in a big company.
As this will get better till you won't tell me.
Girl, I'm not joking. No, you have to
He has a big car. Who gave him the car? Is he into... Did he go into fraud? Or what? Well,
he did not go into fraud. Like, he is not a Yahoo boy. Is that what you're trying to say?
That is what I'm saying.
He is not.
So how did he get money to buy a car?
That is what I'm telling you. I heard he now works in a big company as the head manager.
Head manager? You see, maybe anywhere where you hear gossip, aproko, you go just carry and come. All those fake news where they carry, they spread all the time. So, person will never even work for a company. He has never worked in any company. And the next thing, he becomes a manager of a company. Where is... Babe, may they know they use your head, they fry egg like this.
Oh, you think I'm joking? Why don't you just go and verify the news and see for yourself?
I don't need to verify anything. I don't have... my time is so precious to waste on, nonsense things like that.
This is serious. So you hate this guy to this extent?
I don't hate him. I hate the poverty in his life.
You don't hate him. You hate the poverty in his life. You always look for a way to exonerate yourself. But the thing is that Amani is now a big boy. Like the biggest boy in town. I am happy for him.
How much? I mean, how much have you realized so far from this investment? I'm asking you. Pinkara, talk to me. How much have you made so far from the so-called fame investment? We put money into business just to make profit and not to waste it.
So, do I look like I'm here to play games?
That's what it appears. That is what it looks like.
Do I look like an entertainer to you? Wait, so what are you expecting me to do? To give you a total breakdown of how much I've made from filmmaking?
I just want to hear that you are actually realizing the money you have invested. Instead of thinking of investing more money when you have not gotten the one that you have put in already.
Bro, you're making noise, bro.
I don't understand.
I'm a real estate mogul. I'm not a filmmaker.
So therefore the one you put into film should be a waste?
Listen to me. Go ask Mr. Dove. Okay, I'm sure he has his way of probably selling the contents and I don't care about that. Listen, I just want to enjoy myself. Alright? Besides, I have 3 girls going to the club with me tonight. You wanna come?
Pinkala, we are talking about your personal money. We are talking about your money, hard-earned money. If you don't say it that way, I say it that way. And if I don't tell you the truth, who else is going to tell you the truth?
So what do you want
to know? You can't be busy investing money into something where you're not seeing it back.
Listen
it's
to me.
not how people waste
I am
money.
not a filmmaker. I don't know what happens there.
And so, you should care less about whether you get your money back or you don't get it back.
Me and Mr. Dove, we reached an agreement. We had a deal. He scratches my back, I scratch his back.
My goodness.
That's what we're doing.
I can't imagine that a human being is investing such amount of money just into something to have woman. Just woman. That is all what satisfaction you want?
Listen to me. Life is short. You need to enjoy yourself. Okay? You might die tomorrow. Tomorrow is not promised.
Guy, tell me, who invests money into business without the aim of trying to realize the money back? Even these boys who are into scam, when they put money into business, they still work towards getting it back. How much more you that is into real business? I mean, are you thinking right?
Are you coming with me to the club or not?
Try to my fault.
Also, get money. I'm just saying, so carry money. I go borrow. Let's just borrow the car. Let's just see.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Amani.
Flesh and blood. It's actually one of my car.
One of your cars.
Anyway, I'm heading inside. I want to get something.
Babe. Wait. Are you sure? Did I see well? Are you sure you didn't borrow this car?
He said one of his cars.
One of his cars.
Didn't you hear him?
Amani.
Please wake me from this dream. Tell me that all this is a dream.
It is not a dream. Reality has finally dawned on you. What God cannot do does not exist.
Wait, leave all those not what God does not do. This is Yahoo money, not what God cannot do. Are you sure he did not do Yahoo?
He did not, Sochi. You and I know that Amani cannot do such a thing. In fact, he cannot even think of it. Not to talk of venturing into it.
So how did he make his money?
But I have told you now. This guy works in a very big company. A reputable one at that. He is one of their top manager and he makes a lot of money.
Come, my friend. What do you think if I go to him now? I'm ready to make amends. I'm ready to, for us to put things back how it.
Like you want to go back to him now. You can
make amends.
You can make
build the bridge back.
Be thief. Only. Oh no, now you be.
It's not gotten to that point.
No, now it has gotten to that. You they sound like say you be a gold digger. Eh? If I were him, I will never accept any girl that did to me what you did to him. I'm not going to try him for what now?
You will not blame me now, eh? You will not blame me.
Don't go there and disgrace yourself.
He did not have what he has now. So, you see, I did not know that then he didn't have, now he has. You see, there's a difference. Eh? All I want is just a way for us to, amend it. Just, I will take package the relationship again. Now things don't surplus. Card day, everything day.
Then he didn't have money, but he had hope, right? He made you understand how much he loves you and how you meant the world to him. But what did you do? You ignored him.
They help me. You be my friend.
I want to help you, this girl.
You really talk as you want to carry me go there. May you help talk to her. May we amend.
No day. Just forget this guy. Don't go there and disgrace yourself. Forget about him. He has moved on. You move on.
Just like that.
Yes, what is it?
What do you mean by what is it? You know why I am here?
I'm not that silly. I don't know. I don't just know why you are here. But I know. Let's say if Madam Lisa, if you want to see Madam.
Oh, please come back here. Why are you feigning ignorance?
What you
No problem, I will tell you. I'm here for my money. Can I have it?
Which money? Which money? Look what I know. Can I have it? Which money? You give me what you give.
Tony, I am here to collect the money that I have been spending on you when the going was good.
Oh, good. I like this way. I just like it as you talk now. When the going was good. Now let me tell you, the going is bad now. The going is bad and everything is bad. Your money bad, including you. Bad.
Tony, take a very good look at my face.
You know your face.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Take a very good at my face. Do I look like I'm joking?
Tony, go in there and get me my money.
Because which money? What is this now?
Listen, I'm very, very serious right now. Go in there and get me my money.
Pico, I beg you. If it's a joke, just stop it. So go to body.
Tony, I hate it when I have to repeat myself countless times. Go in there and get me my money.
You're not going to go in and get your money. You will do business. No, they get business from where you do. So they talk as a guy I say you give me money, keep for you. I be saying we get business, what we transact. Is there any business? I said go you as a are you this mean? It did this year cool. Now to you got people. Something I said I would never do in my life. You just allow me, maybe.
You know, sometimes I just wonder what part of your body you breathe from.
I breathe from everywhere. I breathe from everywhere. I breathe from my nose, my mouth.
Oh, please, keep it to yourself.
Keep it to yourself too. Go to the body.
Listen, boy. Don't make me make you lose your job.
Which job? Nah, because this down this one. Can you break it? I beg if a joke, stop him. If a joke, I beg, stop, I beg. Pico, I beg you.
You obviously want to lose your job, right? You obviously want to lose your job. Get me my money, let me get out of this place.
Chiro, you are serious about this thing?
Very, very serious. Do I look like I'm joking?
No problem. See. I see there, now, I'm ready to lose my job.
What?
I am ready to lose this job, but be ready to lose your marriage with Chifon Naka.
Tony.
Okay, Tony, put together now.
No, Tony. How do you mean? How do you mean?
I will explain to Chief. I will tell Chief that I have been sleeping with you. And they go God, that we've been doing that. And if you deny it, I will not tell Chief. I will explain to Chief how I got to know that Chief face, you draw Chief face, that tattoo for your laps. You are the only one that can threaten. I lose my job, lose your marriage.
Tony.
That respect, you don't lose her.
I need my money.
Because
else.
Else. Else you one bed. Get the good Opago. Idiot.
Body the sweet, anything where you want it, he go give you. Body the sweet, anything where you want it, he go give you. Money not be one.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
All right. Cheers. Toast. Great.
Cheers.
I owe you, bro. You kept your own part of the bargain. That's really cool.
Thank you.
So what's your name?
Annabelle.
Annabelle. What about you? Bella. Are you sisters? Annabelle, Bella. Are you twin sisters? Your name kind of sounds alike. You know, like
same question before.
Right. So you want to be actresses, right?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Though there is a little problem.
Problem.
They just want you to assure them that you are going to carry them along in every of your project, meaning keeping your own side of the agreement.
But that's your call. It's not mine. I mean, it's you. You're the filmmaker. You're the director. So I'm not a filmmaker. I'm just an investor. So it is you who should, answer that question, not me. But however, everything is fine. Trust me, everything is okay. All right. Okay. You good? Smile. Smile. Great. Wow. Nice.
So I think at this point, I'll have to take my leave.
No, there's no point for that. Why? Where are you going? Sit down.
I feel like
No, it's okay. Have some fun. Let's all have fun together. Come on, that's why we're here, right? Yeah, let's have fun together. Yeah.
Body the sweet, talk what you want to, he go give you. Body Body the sweet and sweeter. Anything you want to, he go give you. Jai jai jai. Igbambale do do. Jai 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 go go. Igbambale bongo. Ikrikatam kotam bali wa. Mr. Pingala. Onebe bokwe walwa. Onebe bokwe ma. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it, he go give you. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything where you want it, he go give you. Money no be wala, eka puran sobu. Money no be wala, eka puran sobu. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Talk what you want to, he go give you. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything you want to, he go give you. Jai jai jai. Igbambale do do. Jai 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 go go. Igbambale bongo. Ikrikatam kotam bali wa. Mr. Pingala. Onebe bokwe walwa. Onebe bokwe ma. Eka puran sobu. Money no be wala. Eka puran sobu. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Talk what you want to, he go give you. Body the sweeter, sweeter. Anything you want to, he go give you. Jai jai jai. Igbambale do do. Jai 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 go go. Igbambale bongo. Ikrikatam kotam bali wa. Mr. Pingala. Onebe bokwe walwa. Onebe bokwe ma.
tell me one of those hotels where people say that.
How do you know anything, madam? I don't know. I swear to God, look. Don't be that. Don't be close gate, open gate, close gate, open gate. I don't come on. I don't come on. I don't know hotel work. No. Right.
Really? I'll give you 50,000 and tell me where you're at.
Whatever. I don't know where they go. I don't know. You don't even need to give me 50,000. If I was telling you, that's fine. It's not possible now. After all, this is the way I'm fighting for. It's for its own good. It's for its own good. They're going to tell me Friday. If I want to go to black, it's okay. Don't be glad. But if I find out that you like police you, sack me. You know, I know you say this job for my life. Sack me. Yes, I'm telling you.
Now, I have to be able to get on with everything. Yes, okay, well, then I can do that. Yes, ma'am. I just want to stop that. Do you have an idea that you can do? Just in case on the way, I will not go to you know, I feel like thank you. Good night, ma'am.
Body the sweeter, anything where you want it go give you. Body the sweeter, anything where you want it go give you. Money no be wala, make up run so boo. Money no be wala, make up run so boo. Body the sweeter, talk what you want to go give you. Body the sweeter, anything you want to go give you. Jai. Ipampale dodo, jai koko. Ipampale pompo, krikatam paliwa. Mr. Pinkala, onebe bokwe walwa, onebe bokwe ma. Body the sweeter, anything.
Oh no, listen. I'm having so much fun. Well, I have to close the coffee. So, what was that? Lie down. I'm just here. I'm trying to improve myself, okay? I'm excited because I asked Mr. Dove to get me pretty girls. And guess what? He got me giants. I'm just having fun, okay? I'm having fun. I'm trying to enjoy myself. So tell me, how much do you want? How much do you want? How much do you want? Just tell me how much do you want.
Okay.
How much do you want?
Money no be wala,
Good morning. How are you? Did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
So tell me, would you like to have breakfast?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, good. I promised to give you guys some money, right?
Mm-hmm.
Who did I promise?
Both so far.
Both of you, right?
Yes.
Okay, guess what? I'm going to do a top up because you guys were amazing. Okay?
Thank you.
So give me a second. I'll do the transfer right now because you guys are giants. I had fun, trust me, I did.
Yeah.
So what you're going to do is just punch in your account number. Yeah. Fast? Okay. So I just transferred 2 million. You can share, okay? Take care.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, my dream. 2 million. Oh, this man has money. So Mr. Dove, I'm so happy. Babes, we're on our way to stardom. I'm telling you.
Body the sweet,
my dream
sweet,
I'm so happy.
Body the sweet, sweet, anything where you want to, he go give you. Money no be wala.
Fidelia, do you know my husband did not come back last night? And he called to say that he would go to the office from wherever he slept last night. Is that fair?
It's not fair. It's not. But you have to take things easy on yourself.
I will not. I won't take things easy on myself.
But you have to. Just calm down and take things easy. Everything will be fine.
Why are you always supporting my husband?
I am not supporting your husband. I only want the best for you as my friend. If I were you, I will not mind whatever he's doing.
I will mind. Fidelia, I will mind. He's my husband. I'm his wife. He should love only me.
Let me ask you. Ever since you have been monitoring this man, what have you benefited from it? Rather than tears, heartbreak, headache, complain. You complain today, you complain tomorrow.
Fidelia, if I keep quiet, these girls will just move in here one day. And you know what that means?
They will not move in here. It will not happen.
It's like you don't know these girls. You don't know these Gen Z baddies. They are called baddies for a reason.
If you will take my advice, leave this man. Allow him to be and focus on yourself.
That thing that seems right. Oh, that's way that seems right.
He's not taking your calls.
It's not.
Hi. You must have really hurt this guy so bad. Yes. He needs time to heal. Just give him time. So he can take your call and both of you will talk.
I know I messed up. But I want to amend this. I really want.
Thank God you know you goofed. Big time.
Yeah. I fucked up. And I take responsibility for my actions.
Now that he is not taking your call, what is your next line of action?
I have to go to that restaurant and wait for him. That's what I will do.
No way, girl, you are not serious. What if
What
you...
do you mean?
No, what if you get there and he didn't come? What will you do?
I'll come the next day.
This is getting serious. Just see, I hate to tell you, I told you. But it is what it is. I told you, girlfriend. I did. Now look at the kind of stress you want to put yourself through. All because you did not listen to my advice. I mean, this is way too much.
Like I said, I own up to my own fuck up. I will clean up my own mess and make amends where I have wronged. I'll take responsibility for my actions.
Okay.
Good day, sir. Good day, sir.
Can I help you?
Sir, actually, I don't know if I can talk to you. There's something I need to talk to you about.
Talk to me about what?
Actually, I don't know how to say this, but
Young man, listen to me. I don't know who you are. If you want to talk to me, go ahead and do that. I don't have all day.
I understand, sir. I'm not taking much of your time, all right? But I don't know how you're going to take this. It's actually the truth. The thing is that, do you realize that your wife is cheating on you?
What do you mean by that? My wife is cheating on me. That's impossible. That's not possible. I mean, I provide my wife with everything. She's the last person to cheat on me on this earth. I don't think so.
Well, actually, from the way you're sounding, sir, it seems probably you don't know your wife very well. Well, I'm ready to prove that to you if you're willing to give me the chance to do so.
What's your proof?
Well, the fact is that your wife is actually going around town with some of those small boys around. So if you want me to prove this to you, whenever your wife is panned down with a man in your matrimonial home, your matrimonial bed, I'll put a call through to you so that at least you can confirm for yourself.
Are you serious with this?
100% serious.
All right, give me your number.
All right.
Right.
00.
Yep.
44 00 20 90.
Okay.
All right. You
I'll
have a
give
nice
you a
day.
call.
Yeah, sure. All right.
What's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right.
That thing that seems right. Oh, that's way that seems right. In our eyes, can lead us to destruction. Can lead us to temptation. So beware of your actions. The steps you take, someone is watching. Is your way? It's your way to destruction. That's way. Short way to destruction. That's way. Short way to destruction. That seems right to you. The way. It's short way to destruction. Short way. Short way to destruction. The way. Short way to destruction. That seems right to you. It's short way to destruction. Short way to destruction. Short way to destruction. Always think twice before you do something. One day, 'cause the past we always find you. Wherever you are, wherever you hide. Anything that makes you happy today, and I swear destroy you.
As a matter of fact, this man is one of the richest men in this city.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding.
Okay, fine. So what the man into? Which kind of work the man is on?
He deals with oil and gas.
Oil and gas. Excess money.
You can say that again.
What? What? Okay, Amani.
Yeah.
So you start working for this man. Have you heard from your girl Soshima?
No, I don't have to.
Why?
Why should I? She ended the relationship by herself. And as a matter of fact, I was calling her at some point, but she wasn't receiving my call. She wasn't picking my calls.
Well, no, you don't want me to find you. I have to go a place. See how far. You don't see your guy. What he tell me? He say you don't delete your number. I say you don't delete your guy. Now so he just play me.
I'm tired of Sashi, she's very wicked. So say that the number she deleted is the same number she has been bombarding with calls.
She they call you?
Let me tell you, Chidi. She has called me more than 1,000 times. But guess what? I didn't pick any of them.
What? Money, I'm happy for you. They happy for you. Thank God say you don't hammer. You don't. I know say you see give me some. Man, see me marry. Man, see Afari boy marry to like you too. You know my man, You don't feel disappoint me now. I want for you.
Don't worry, just
I want for you. Now you dey talk small. You supposed to know this thing. Why am I collect? Afari boy dey marry to.
Futa, you didn't see him?
I didn't see him. In fact, I waited. I went into the restaurant, walked around. There was no sight of him.
That means he didn't come to have lunch today.
Maybe. That's what it means. I don't know. God.
So, what is your next move?
Nelly, you're my friend. Please help me talk to him. You're the only option I have now. Help me talk to him, please.
Please, you know, me I know as well. He will not listen to me. How do you want me to do it?
Try, Try, give it attempt. You know this is the love of my life we're talking about here. Please.
The love of your life. I hate to laugh, but I'll just permit me to laugh. Oh my God.
Why are you laughing?
The love of your life.
Yes.
Is he... Oh wait. Do you actually love him or you love his money? Which one?
I love him.
You love him. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Are you mocking me?
I'm not mocking you. But I mean, it's surprising, you know. All of a sudden, you love him. He's not the love of your life. It's okay. You are not saying the truth because I know you don't love him. It's the other way around, right? Say the truth now.
Why are you doing this? I say it's the love of my life. You're saying another thing again.
Say the truth. You usually tell me that you don't pretend. You say the truth. Take the way it is. Now talk him.
I love him.
Now you don't like him because you see money.
See, come now. Help me. Babes, help me. Call him now. Call him to know where he is.
You matter serious.
You didn't sound nice over the phone. Is there any problem? Talk to me. Is everything alright?
Johnson.
Bro.
Is my wife cheating on me?
How did you find out?
Listen, just answer the damn question. Is my wife cheating on me?
Pinkala, the truth is that your wife has been sleeping around with some small boys. How did you find out?
You knew my wife was cheating and you didn't bother to tell me?
Because I didn't want to be the one to ruin my friend's marriage. I didn't want it to come out from my mouth. Now that the information is out there, I think we have to talk.
Wait, are you trying to tell me my wife is having an affair behind my back, outside our marriage, and you didn't tell me? And who are they? Who's she having an affair with?
I know them, and I will mention them to you on one condition.
Johnson, are you serious? You're giving me conditions? When you know someone is sleeping with my wife? Not one person, not two people?
I don't want this to push you to become a murderer.
John? Pinkala! Pinkala! Where are you going to? Pinkala!
At this point, we have to end the game.
End the game? Why?
I want to step in.
Well, Pinkala promised to give me money by weekend. So we may have to wait till he gives me the money and then you end the game.
Like I just said, I want to step in. So there is no need in you continuing whatever you had to do with him.
Well, then you have to pay the money you agreed to pay before the game.
That's exactly why I'm here. Send your details and I'll credit you with 400,000 naira.
Are you kidding?
I never joke around with serious business.
Okay. You know, Pinkala was fun while it lasted.
I see. And I'm sure you had so much fun to last you a lifetime, ain't it?
I did.
Okay, that's fine.
Are you trying to package another set of girls for him?
No. Like I told you, I want to step in. The decision has been made and it stays that way.
Well, it's your game. It's your deal. I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out, isn't it?
I'll leave you now. Don't forget to send your details. Okay?
Right away.
Enjoy yourself.
Oh my God. I can't believe this has come to an end. Just like that. Nothing actually lasts in life. But you know, I can't believe I lost my relationship with my boyfriend for Pinkala. Actually lost.
Oh my God, that's you know? Oh no, you take it easy. Take it easy.
You make your face.
You want to eat me up?
Of course.
Come to mama.
Yeah?
Who there now? Nah, which can wahala this now? Now we see, person won't do something, one last now. Do one just 1 hour something. My person because they don't do papa. Now what you mean sister? What you can we can now? What you papa? Who are you now? Who there? You know what? Who's papa? You so this what time person so on the 5 days you talk. Hey. Okay, sorry. I don't listen. Sorry. Jesus.
Maybe it's not what you think. I can explain. babe. Nothing happened here. Babe. Say something. Nothing happened here. Nothing happened here. Nothing. I can explain. I can explain. Really. It's not what you think. 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 Babe. Nothing happened here. Nothing. Nothing happened here. Nothing really happened here. Nothing. Nothing. It's not what you think, babe. It's not what you think. Babe, it's not what you think.
Tony, Uchi, aka Papa. Wake up. What is going on? How can a person just enter here? Okay, no offense. I don't know that you with that time. Sorry, sir. Yeah?
That seems right to you. The way shots were to destroy. Shots were to destroy. The way shots were to destroy. That seems right to you. Shots were to destroy. Shots were to destroy.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
We are men from Drug Law Enforcement Agency.
Okay.
Sir, we are here to do our normal routine search, so if you don't mind, we'd like to search your car.
You're doing your normal routine search?
Yes.
And you want to search my car?
Exactly, sir.
Why would you want to search my car? You can't just see someone and want to search their cars. Do you know who I am?
with all due respect, sir, we're just doing our job. It's our normal routine.
Well, I totally understand nobody's above the law, but you can't just search my car because you don't know who I am.
Sir, please step down. Let's search your car, please. Thank you.
I hope you know what you're doing.
Yeah, I do.
All right. Enjoy yourself. But don't waste my time.
It's okay.
It's okay. Do your set. Young man, you have to hurry up, please. I don't have all day. Why are you staring at me like that? Do I look familiar to you? Oh, I can tell what's wrong. You don't look happy when you see a young man who's doing well because you're under the sun, stopping and searching people's cars. You know what I think? Your job is whack. Listen, I can offer you a job. Okay? But you have to be very smart to work with me.
Well, I think we have a problem here.
Excuse me?
Sir, what is this?
What?
I mean, what is this?
What is what?
What is this?
I should be asking you, what is this?
You're asking me?
Yes.
I found this in your car.
That's impossible. That's totally unacceptable, sir. You can't pick something from your pocket and put it in my car and pretend you found it in my car. That's not right. You can't do that to me because you don't know who I am.
Are you accusing an officer of the law?
Sir, I don't understand what you mean. I don't know what that is. I've never seen it before. So you can't possibly put a substance in my car and tell me that you found it in my car.
It's okay, sir. Maybe when you get to the station, you tell that to the boss. Move this man, let's get to the station.
Excuse me? Excuse you?
Move it, sir. Please, we don't have time.
I need to talk to my lawyer.
When you get to the station, you will do that.
Are you for real?
Sir, are you also resisting arrest or what?
Listen to me. You can't do... What are you guys up to?
Sir, please move it.
What are you up to, sir?
You are wasting our time. Move it.
Are you serious right now? Okay, I'll deal with you.
Join.
Nelly, if I were you, I won't be here begging on behalf of Sochi. I mean, you were there when she said it was over.
I know I was there. Trust me, she acted out of ignorance. But right now she has learnt her lesson. And I am so sure that she would never behave in such manner again. Please forgive her.
Nelly, it is another experience all by herself. And it feels good. I have moved on and I expect her to do so.
But there is no moving on for Sochi without you. Please.
Nelly, she should be the one telling me this and not you, so I will know exactly the word to tell her.
But she has been calling. And you refuse to take her calls.
That is because I don't want her again. She should be smart enough to read the handwriting on the wall. Yes, that is what she has always wanted, to move on. So she should move on.
Amani, I never know you to be a very tough guy. Despite everything that has happened, trust me, Sochi still loves you. I can bet my life on that.
Nelly, let me tell you one thing. Sochi knows the meaning of every other thing in this world, but not the word love. It is an insult for those in love to give such a credit.
Okay, now let's do it this way. Can you at least give her a second chance? Please. See, Amani, you will enjoy the matured woman in her right now. Trust me.
Nelly, I'm not even going to think about that. Yeah, I will never give Sochi any chance close to my life again. And let me tell you something, Nelly. It would be good if you can convey this information to her. so that she will stop disturbing my life and personally my life.
Honestly, my darling, I think someone from your house is feeding your husband with your activities. My thoughts exactly, but I mean, I can't even place a finger on it. I'm trying to pin someone to it, but it's not working. Honestly, Moon, this is the reason I told you, I personally advised you to rent an apartment and then move all your activities there for your own good and your own relaxation. You're not blaming me, are you? My darling, it's not as if I'm blaming you. But I mean, if you had listened to me, none of this would have happened. Annabelle, right now the question is, what do I do? What do I do? Moon, the only way out I am seeing right now is for you to go and apologize to your husband and seek his forgiveness. Apologize to Pinkala? You know, no Nigerian man will forgive a woman involved in such an act. I'm scared. You may be right, but the Pinkala that I know will forgive you. All you need to do is ask his forgiveness. Are you sure about this? To the best of my knowledge, Pinkala has never denied you anything, right? So, shoot your shot.
If you cooperate with us, we'll make things easy for you. We just want to know who your suppliers are.
You know, this entire situation sounds and look funny to me. You keep asking who my suppliers are, but the real question is, do I do drugs? No, I do not do drugs. I don't know what it looks like. I have never bought with my money before, so why do you keep asking who my suppliers are? I feel like that's the wrong thing you're doing.
I see. So what's the drug doing in your car?
I have no idea, sir. Like I said, someone is trying to set me up.
Interesting. So who could be setting you up?
I don't know. I mean, you're a law enforcement agent. I want to believe you can find out who the enemy is.
One thing with you is this. You think you can convince everybody with your deceitful words. I know what you do.
Listen to me. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I pay my taxes. I'm a responsible Nigerian. I have businesses scattered everywhere. I invest my money in so many businesses, apart from drugs. So trust me, I need to speak to my lawyer.
Now listen. No one is setting you up. Rather, you're a man whose scope is full. I advise you talk to me now before things get out of hand.
There's nothing to talk about. I have nothing to say to you.
There's a lot to talk about. And you must talk to me after visiting your house.
My house? You want to search my house?
Do you have a problem with that?
Sir, do you know who you're talking to? I have to speak to my lawyer.
Yeah.
Babe, have you heard?
Heard what?
Your boss has just been arrested by the men of Drug Law Enforcement Agency for drugs related what did they go? Offenses.
Finally.
I don't understand.
I have been waiting for a time like this. Thank God it's finally here.
I don't understand you, babe. You should be disturbed that your boss has just been arrested instead of sitting down here and smiling.
Well, I have no need to be disturbed about his arrest.
And why is that?
Simply because I have a hand in it.
What?
For over 3 years, I've been working, planning, toiling, working so hard for his downfall. And now that I'm on it, I will make sure I do everything within my power to make him rot in that bottomless pit where he belongs.
Wait, what's going on here? Babe, what's going on? Can you please make me understand what is going on?
It's payback time. Trust me. They are fools to think I will just sit back and not avenge the mother of my father. EJ.
I told you someone is trying to set me up. There's nothing. I'm clean. Just let us go. Someone is trying to set me up. Hello, sir. Can I have a talk with you, please? Hello, sir. Can we have a conversation? That's not mine. That's not mine. That's not mine. Listen to me. Someone is trying to set me up. That's not mine. I don't know who kept that there. I've never seen it before. It doesn't belong to me. I have no idea what it is. Trust me.
Really?
It's not mine. Nah.
So what is this doing in your cupboard?
I don't know. I have no idea. Like I said, someone is trying to set me up, and that's the truth.
Listen, all we want is just names. Well, I promise you, if you do not cooperate with us, you will sleep in jail.
Listen to me. Listen. I said I have nothing to do with this. This does not belong to me. I don't know what it is. Someone obviously kept it there. I have no idea what it is. I don't do drugs. I've never seen it before. I don't know what it is. So, I'm innocent. We can all be friends. Okay? I can see you're young men and you probably have families. Listen, I'm a wealthy guy. I can upgrade your life. Yeah, I can help you out.
Make it clear to us. What are you saying?
I'm saying that I can tell you're young men and you're probably doing this job for money. Come on. Listen, I'll give you 20 million. All right? So we can all walk out of this room happy and, we get our groove back and, and walk away a free man.
I thought as much. Well, you've just committed another crime by trying to negotiate with us.
Oh, come on. Listen, you didn't get me right. I said I am innocent. I have nothing to do with this. And that's the truth. However, I can, support you guys. You need the money. 20 million is a lot of money.
Okay. That's fine. You know what? We don't want nothing from you. Just give us the name of your supplier, then you will go free.
I have nothing to do with this. I have absolutely nothing to do with this. Listen to me. I just offered you 20 million because I know that you're young men and you probably have families. You need money to take care of your families.
From all indications, it's clear that you're ready to sleep in jail. Now move.
All right, 30 million.
Move it.
No, listen to me. 30 million. Think about...
Please, move this guy.
30 million.
I said move it.
All right, 50. Are you going to turn down 50 million?
Move.
50 million.
Move it.
Excuse me?
Move it, please. Do you want me to shout?
Hold on, 50 million. That's a lot of money. Think about what 50 million can do for you.
Move.
50 million.
Think about what's sleeping in jail.
Listen, you don't understand. I am innocent. I have nothing to do with this. I have nothing, absolutely nothing to do with this.
Mona, you have to take it easy on yourself, okay? I'm trying, but I can't. Hey. You have to. Do you want to expose your health to danger just because you keep thinking and thinking? You think too much. The more I try to forget about it, the more I fail. Annabelle, my marriage is at the verge of collapsing if nothing tangible is done. No, that is not your portion. Your marriage will never collapse. Don't say that again. Just get a grip on yourself, please. Okay? Okay, I'll try. Please But you know my husband. He won't do anything to you, honestly. Just have to seek. My kid man is calling. Oh, okay. Talk to him and know what he has to say. Hello?
Yes, madam. Madam, problem there for this house.
What is it?
The arrest of girl.
What? Why?
They say they find cocaine for a car. They go character house.
That's not true. My husband doesn't deal on drugs. Are they still in the compound?
They see the house. They said.
You need to calm down. Listen, I wanted to talk to you guys, but you wouldn't listen. Can I get my lawyer?
Oh, no. Wait. See. You know what you will do for me? Ask them the branch of their office they're taking him to, okay?
No, God voice yes, so.
Listen, can I get my lawyer?
Sir, move.
Can I speak to my lawyer?
When you get to the station, we'll do that.
I need to call my lawyer.
Move, sir, please. Stop this now.
This is my house. You can't just order me around.
Did you respect move, sir?
Bro, see.
I've accorded you enough respect. I offered you, so I said, listen, let's settle this in amicably, but you wouldn't listen.
Okay, if
my friend, you shut up. Get out from here, you stupid.
Move, sir. Go and open the gate.
No, sir. I'll go open it. Which branch are they carrying go?
We are going to the state headquarters.
Okay. Yes. Open the gate.
I don't understand. The Pekala you are now, you know, is not a drug dealer. So what's going on? This must be a case of mistaken identity. I'll find out when I get to their office. Okay. What's all this now? What's all this? Now, wow.
Madam. They say that they can't go headquarters. And then where the headquarters? They say headquarters. I don't. They say no headquarters. Police. Okay, man. What you know can they do with the drug? If you can at least give them drink, it tell me say shut up. I'm not shut up now.
Babe, how could you plant drugs in a car and a house of an innocent man?
Calling him innocent is an abuse of that word, and I will not take it.
Oh, Ijema, stop it. Forget his escapades with women. He's a philanthropist. A man with heart of gold who is willing to help people at all times.
Really?
Yes.
Well, if that's how you choose to see him. But trust me, he's not the definition of the kind of man you think he is.
Tell me, what is this man's offense against you? What wrong has he done to you in the past that you cannot even forget or forgive?
I actually chose to work as his secretary to avenge what he did to me in the past. That man killed my father.
You already said that. So now you tell me, how did it happen?
It all happened 3 years back.
Father, I don't like what you just did.
Why would you say a thing like that? Listen, Pinkala's father was my business partner years ago. And he equally had the same experience like his father. Besides, he's the only one who has been involved in illegal mining of these precious stones.
But that's still not enough reason for you to show him these precious stones. Say, you were led to buy that land. Now that you discovered some precious stones in it, you should have just, calm down and let's just explore ways to go about this thing. You just exposed... Come on.
My daughter, that's exactly what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. We need to at least start from somewhere. Someone who understands the terrain. And that's how Pinkala has been involved in this. Even the small sample that I took to his place. Guess what? He told me that that small sample alone is worth 100 million naira.
For him to tell you that it's worth 100 million, it simply means that it's worth, say, 500 million. That man is a negative person. He has negativity all over him.
I understand you, Gemma. I understand your fears. I equally understand your worries. But trust me, Pinkala will not disappoint. He will not.
Father, I don't know how you do it. You just trust everyone. And that's one quality about you that never ceases to amaze me.
It's alright, Madonna. We have to start from somewhere. At least start with someone that we know. Okay? It will be fine.
What are you insinuating? Ijema, I remembered you insisted on autopsy. And the autopsy result made it clear that no one killed your father.
The autopsy report couldn't have seen anything. That's because my father exposed himself to a man who could do anything for money. I don't want to tell you how far I went. But I went out of my way to confirm that man killed my father after I lured him to sign off on that land. That bastard actually used my father's money to establish himself in real estate.
Ijema, honestly speaking, I am still confused. I am so confused at what you are saying.
Well, he killed my father, and I am out to avenge his death.
So now that you have the man implicated, what's next?
Well, I will do everything humanly possible to make sure he rots in jail.
Honestly speaking, I don't even know what to say. I never knew these were your plans all this while.
A murderer deserves no peace.
Always think twice before you do something.
Thanks for coming. I'm told I have lost everything. My businesses, my investments, my properties, everything. I can't believe I ended up like this.
You're lucky.
I'm lucky. I don't expect you to say that. What do you mean I'm lucky? I just mentioned I have lost everything. My businesses, my investments, my properties, everything. Even my wife, who should be here with me, consoling me, she betrayed me. She cheated on me and ran away. And you say I'm lucky? No, I'm not lucky.
But you're alive, aren't you? Same can be said for my father, Pa James Onunkwa. The man you murdered and stole his solid mineral site.
What the hell are you talking about?
You still don't get it. I am Ijema James. James Onunkwa was my father. Yet you killed him. Well, I came to work for you so I could avenge the death of my father. All of this was orchestrated by me.
What?
Yes. Now you get it. And if indeed you do get out, say in 20 years, we'll continue where we stopped. But for now, be ready to rot in hell. Or to the beginning of hell.
That thing that seems right, oh, that's way that seems right. In our eyes, can lead us to destruction, can lead us to temptation. So beware of your actions. The steps you take, someone is watching. Is your way? It's your way to destruction. That's way. That's way to destruction. That's way. That's way to destruction. That seems right to you. The way. It's your way to destruction. That's way. That's way to destruction. The way. That's way to destruction. That seems right to you. It's your way to destruction. Shut away to destruction. Shut away to destruction. Always think twice